Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a footnote in Google Docs. First, choose the text you want to add the footnote to. In this case, I want to add it to Techie Leopard. Now, I'm going to highlight it by holding down the left mouse button, just like so. Now that we have highlighted it, we need to go to the top left of Google Docs, click on Insert, then scroll down and click on Page Elements. Then select Footnote. Once you do that, Google Docs will automatically take you to the bottom of the page and label the footnote. You will see small number both in the text and next to the footnote, making it easy to match them up. Now type in your explanation as you want. Once you are done, scroll back up and continue writing. You can also add another footnote later, and it will automatically be numbered as 2, 3 and so on. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.